puppy? You like the box? It's a pizza box. And there's some icky shit over there and your tail's on it. How come your tail's on the icky shit? You like the icky shit? You like the icky shit? Before I burped, didn't you like to burp? You burped. Let's try. Let me see if I can burp and you can burp again, okay? Okay, ready? Okay. Can you do that? Go. Go. I had a real loud burp. You like that box, don't you? Don't you like that box? Puppy? Give you a head bump. Hey, don't do that with the paw. You know how you scratch. Now, I don't think you should be sitting on that shit. Because you're going to start smelling like pizza and shit. And I'm going to have to wipe it. Okay? Don't sit on there anymore, all right, puppy? All right. What? What? You like that box. It makes you feel important. You're like king of the road, right? Right? Puppy. Puppy. I got to see if I can... You want to play with that box? You'd probably clip me if I do that. Okay, puppy, I'm going to go. See ya. See ya. Ba-boo. Ba-boo.